all the way around and comes back to the start point. Carrot. Now we'll take a black color marker and draw on the outline. By connecting all the numbers in the same order. Now, with the orange color, start filling it like this. Make sure you don't cross over the lines. Fill the color nice and easy. Be aware of the edges. That's right. Filling it evenly. Leave the space blank. Outline it first so that the filling is easy. The same strokes can make it even more even. Keep going. Leaving the space for root scars on the carrot. Fill this last box too. Now take the yellow color and fill the inner space like this. Fill the color evenly like this. Be careful, don't cross over the lines here too. When you outline, it helps you to color neat. Straight strokes of yellow color. Looks good. Fill up the gaps if any to make it look smooth. Draw the outline first and then fill in the color. Straight strokes like this. Fill in the gaps here too. Now, with the color red, fill up these slots that are blank. These slots on the carrot are called root scars. Be careful about the edges. Fill right in. The carrot is ready, is it? No! The stem. With the green color, fill the top of the carrot, which is called the stem. Nice and easy. Fill it up. And now, our carrot is ready! Yay! Please subscribe to our channel today.